Kjakt dache de schacht. Antalt, the article. Now, this is a chapter that summarizes a lot of things that have come up before, puts them all together in one place. It's a good chapter to study, actually. There is no indefinite article. There's no in Irish. There's only the. And it's only two forms of it, an and na. Na is always for plurals or for genitive feminine. Everything else is an. The nominative masculine noun following the article, an far, nothing happens to it. An van, you get the lenition, feminine noun. Feminine and masculine nouns behave opposite each other. So in the genitive masculine, an of the man, it puts the lenition. And in the genitive feminine, it does not. So one does it one way and one does it the other way. So that's how you remember it. There are other things that happen after the definite article, as you know, and they list them all here. But let's stick with the singular for a minute. A masculine noun, nominative case, starting with a vowel, you'll get a T before it. Untool, right? The apple. But that doesn't happen to a feminine noun. After na, in the genitive or even in the plural, if there's a vowel following it, you put an H there. The genitive plurals all will have an eclipsis. Nagalini, of the girls, right? Navar, of the men. Doesn't matter masculine or feminine, they all behave the same. Na could be just the plain old plural, right? Namra, the women. Nakalini, right? So that's all that. You will also get in the genitive plural where you can't put an eclipsis, where it's a vowel, you'll get an N dash. Price nanul, they give you, the price of the apples. Prefix T, like I said, happens in the masculine before a vowel. It also happens as a replacement of lenition. If it's a noun that starts with an S, followed by a vowel, or LN and R. Okay, so where in the feminine, antroj, you would have S can't have that lenition when it's in those situations, so it has a T in front of it instead. So if you think of it as that, you might remember how to use it better. It's not an eclipsis. It's replacing a lenition, actually. Lar anchamra, they give you as the other example. And then they give you some of the words that combine with the article. It becomes sa, strangely, because it used to be in sun. Now it just becomes sa. Da becomes done. De becomes den. All of those cause lenition. When you have la plus the article, you use lesh an, two words. Okay? Don't mix that up with the combination with the possessive pronoun, lena, which is with his, with hers, with theirs. That's one word. Okay? And then they give you lots of practice using all of these different forms. So this is, like I said, a very good summary chapter to study all the things, well, most of the things that happen with the definite article. That's your summary for practice.